How to create an account on MetaTrader application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create your account on this MetaTrader application. So first thing, simply head over to your Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed the MetaTrader 5 application, which is used for forex and stocks, and just open it. And from here click on open settings, open account, and as you can see it will ask me a lot of information about my first name, second name or last name, and date of birth, phone number, email, and some other account information as well. And once you fill all of these criteria, login credentials, simply hit on the register and then your account will be registered. So let me just show you an example. And once you fill up all your information like this, simply click on register, and from here it should be registered. As you can see, the new account successfully created, and simply click on done, and boom, that's exactly how you can easily create your MetaTrader account on your device. So if it was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.